Hi everyone. So we have completed our first cohort on YouTube, cohort 0 to 10. So total 56 videos are there on the YouTube and total 60 hours of content is there. So now what I am bringing day-to-day plan for both BTech and MTech student, how they can complete it. If you haven't followed it, even if you start today, you can certainly complete it. So for BTech students, those who have no idea about basic electrical science, zero idea they have. They don't even know what is a current, what is a charge. They can also start, and within 60 days they will be very comfortable. And for MTech students, they must have cleared GATE, so they might have good idea about basic concepts, KCL, KVL. So for them it will take 35 days. I will tell you day to day plan on what day you need to watch which lecture, and when you should revise. Everything will be there in this video only. You will get this PDF. I will put this PDF in the Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group. The link will be in description, and playlist link will I will also paste in the description only. Okay, so yeah, so few important points are there that you need to study 2 hours a day, both BTech and MTech. Just 2 hours. Why only 2 hours? Because I know there are college assignments too, like some assignments, classes. You need to have fun too, right? Engineers don't study that much, that I know. So but the minimum effort I am requiring 2 hours. That much dedication you can give, right? 2 hours of dedication you can give. If you are in second year or third year, that's much dedication you can give. 2 hours of dedication, second year and third year students. And if you are in first year as well, you can still start. And the complete notes, the notes are of around 1000 pages. So the complete notes will be pasted in the Telegram group. You can download there, and if possible, get a photocopy. So if you are having the hard copy with you, it will be much more useful. If not possible, then you can see from the laptop as well. But if it is possible, get the hard copy. And look, people don't much focus on making the notes by their own, but if you are comfortable, you can make your own notes as well. Like I am teaching and you are writing in your notebook, so you can make your own notes as well. But if you are not comfortable with that, you can have the photocopy and then you can study from there, right? Because I have also given the notes, lecture notes I have given, and they are beautifully written in neat and precise manner with different color of pens. So they are beautifully written, so you will not have any problem with that. But still, if you want to write on your own, you can do it, right? And you can join the Telegram group. There only I will put the notes and everything. You can ask your doubt there as well, so you can join the Telegram group. And one more thing, just when you are watching the lectures, don't just keep on watching the lecture. Even if you are having the hard copy of the lecture notes, then just don't keep on watching the lecture. Just keep on writing something in your rough notebook. If you just keep on watching, you will be sleeping. You will not understand anything. Whatever I am teaching, just do a rough work of that. Let's assume I am teaching an equation. So just write that equation in your rough notebook so that you are attentive. If you are just watching it, you will not be attentive. Got it? So just keep on doing something in your rough notebook. So it will be a 60-day plan for BTech student and 35 days plan for MTech students. And total lectures are there 56. So let's see the plan for BTech students now. So day by day plan I have given. That day 1, lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, then assignment 1 you have to attempt. So there are total 12 assignments. So before watching the solution of any assignment, you have to attempt the assignment by your own. Because in the initial lecture, I will be giving you the concept, then I will giving you an assignment. So that you have to attempt on your own. Then only you should watch the solutions. So that plan is given. Then lecture 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then you have to revise chapter 1. Revise now for 2 days it is written revise chapter 1, revise chapter 1. So you can take 2 days to revise that chapter, right? Then 8th day. So by like that we will be completing our playlist. So yeah, then 11, 12, 13, 14, these are given. Okay, now day 17 is the buffer. Buffer means like you don't need to do anything on this day. If you are having some backlogs, you can clear that. If you are not comfortable with any concept, you can revise that. That you can do. This is what I mean by buffer. So yeah, like that we are completing one by one all the things. So every single concept will be cleared, and every single interview question you can answer. I can guarantee you, every single interview question you can answer. You will be very much comfortable, no matter how tough he asks. If he include 2 circuits, 3 circuit, anything he can ask, and anything you will be able to answer. So that much deeply we are going to cover. It's not simply some videos where we are getting the concept from 1 2 concept only or 3 4 concept only. But here we are getting from right 0 to all the advanced level. that everything that is required for analog VLSI interview, that will be cleared here. But you need to put efforts, right? It is 60 hours of content and it will not be that much easy to cover. So you need to put effort, and then you need to revise like this. So these are day-to-day plan, and here you will be completing this. And here I have written solve gate PYQs. So most of the PYQs have been solved in the videos itself. Most of the gate PYQs I have solved in the video itself, but still if there are some left, you can solve that. So for practice, gate PYQs would be a good source. That I wanted to tell here. Gate PYQs are good enough sources. And now let's talk about MTech students. So why MTech students are having less day to prepare? Because they also have some they also have much more academic pressure than BTech students. BTech students don't have that much of academic pressure, but MTech students need to do the projects as well and all the things. They have to study the subjects as well. So they do have some academic pressure. But if you just follow this one by one, you will be able to complete. So now there are basic concepts as well. So students will think we have studied it in GATE, so no need to study that. But just watch the lecture once. There can be a few things that you don't know you can learn there, right? So don't skip the basic concept and network theorem. These two are the chapters that you have already studied for your GATE, but still watch that, okay? So yeah, that's why I have written in one day only you can complete 4 lectures, then you can attempt assignment, then you can watch lecture 5th, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you will be able to complete those lectures very quickly because you have already studied that, right? So yeah, but still you will get 1 or 2 new things, and that will be helpful in the interview and like that. And just consider one thing: never skip any video of transient. At least watch all the videos of transient analysis: RC, RL, RLC, LC, damping, under damping, over damping, second order circuits, body plot, and pulse zero intuitively. All these things, don't skip a single video because that are the most important part. And if you think I have studied it in GATE, and when you watch these lectures, you will realize what is the difference. If you have studied it in GATE, you will not be able to answer most of the interview questions. Okay, GATE preparation is not enough. You have to study a bit more deeply. That I have covered here. It's not tough, but bit more deeply. So that I have covered here. So if you think I already know all this, please don't think like that. Okay, please don't think that you know all these things. Okay, but let's assume that it is just written that basics of RC circuits. So you think that I know the basics of RC circuit, so I can skip this video. Don't skip. Just watch the video. Whatever new you get, you can write it down or you can learn that. And I can assure you a lot of new things you will be learning. So don't skip. Just click on the video and watch it very quickly. You can watch it on 2x. You can watch it by skipping some parts. If you know some part, you can watch it by skipping that part. But just watch it once. I don't want that you will be missing out on some topics. So that's why I'm making the plan like this. And this I have written 29 dash. That means lecture 29th you can complete half on this day and next on the 15th day. So that's why I have written this dash. So like that you will be completing. So yeah, 30 day and after that revision or 1 or 2 lectures only. So in this manner you can complete your preparation. So every single thing that you require, that is there. You don't need to refer to any other sources. So this is the first part. This is the first cohort. This is not complete. Cohort 0 to 10 it is. Then 11 to 100 will also come. Right now I can't comment when it will come. I am trying my best. As much time am I getting, the time that I am getting, I am investing all my time in that. So yeah, right now I can't comment when it will come, but surely it will come before your placements, before the placement season, before the internship season. Okay, I will certainly bring something for you guys. So don't worry about that. Just complete this part and then you will be good to go with the second part. So make sure to join the Telegram group. Now you can do one thing. If you want to be consistent, you can post your day-to-day progress on LinkedIn. That will help you to be consistent. Also, it will reach the people. That's the main point as well. It will also help you in being consistent. Also, it will help us as well. It will help me as well, that it will reach to the people. So yeah, you can do that. And if you do that, you can mention my name as well. And you can mention the playlist as well. And make sure to share this plan with your seniors, batchmates and juniors. So like, I'm talking too much, but believe me, this is one of the finest playlist on YouTube for basic electrical science for your first cohort. So that will set up your base, and you will be then studying analog electronics will be a cakewalk for you. And the way I will deal analog electronics, you will also see that. So that would this playlist is the base and that is the most necessary part. So yeah, I am looking forward. So you people will be studying with the great enthusiasm, great concentration. So complete playlist is there on my channel. I will put the link of the playlist as well, so you can start studying from today onwards only, or latest by tomorrow. At least from tomorrow you can start. Tomorrow is Saturday, so from tomorrow you can start. Okay, thank you.